How to apply for a Milestone Credit Card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In order to apply for the Milestone Credit Card, you will first need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to milestonegoldcard.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the prominent Apply Now button highlighted in blue color and click on it to start the application process. Before you proceed any further, it is really essential to ensure that your credit card aligns well with your financial needs and spending habits. Take a moment to thoroughly review the benefits associated with Milestone Card to confirm that it is the right choice for you. If you ultimately determine that you would like to move forward with the application, you will need to fill out the required application form by providing your personal information such as your name, address, email, phone number, date of birth, social security number, total monthly income, and total monthly expenses as well. Once you have completed the application form with all the necessary details, the step is to carefully read through the terms and conditions associated with your credit card. So this step is particularly important as it outlines your rights and responsibilities as a card holder. After you have thoroughly understood the terms, if you find them acceptable and agree to abide by them, you can proceed by clicking on the Accept button followed by the Submit application to complete the process. After you submit your application, the Milestone team will take the time to review your application, and if it meets their criteria and is approved, you can expect to receive your new credit card in the mail within a time frame of 14 business days. In conclusion, if you have found this information helpful and clear, we encourage you to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content in the future. Thank you for watching.